Hi, I'm Kira Nickel, and I'm a child passenger safety technician at El Camino Health. Today I'm going to show you how to safely harness your child into your car seat. Please keep in mind that this is an overview on how to harness your baby, but doesn't take the place of reading the instruction manual for your car seat. You'll want to start with putting the car seat on the floor and put the handle all the way back so that it rests on the floor. This way the car seat doesn't rock while you put the baby in. Next, loosen the harness fully and lay the straps over the side of the car seat. If your car seat has storage spots, you may use them. Make sure the harness straps are sitting at or just below shoulder level. Review your car seat manual to learn how to change harness strap height. Put the baby in with their bottom all the way back in the seat. You don't want a gap between the baby's back and the back of the car seat. Infants don't have head control yet, and they can't pick their heads up. If there's a gap, babies may slump down and they can go chin to chest. Chin to chest can compromise the airway. If their back is flat against the back of the car seat, it keeps the airway open. Now put the straps over each shoulder and put the arm through the harness on each side. Then bring the harness over each leg and buckle each side. Most car seats have an adjustment strap at the base of the car seat. To tighten the harness, start with removing slack over the child's legs first. You'll want to go from the bottom up when tightening. Grab harness straps above the buckle on both sides and pull up. That removes slack over the legs. Then bring the chest clip all the way down to the buckle. That will hold the slack out over the legs. Then slowly pull on the harness adjustment strap until there is no slack over the shoulders. Perform the pinch test to ensure that there is no slack. Then move the chest clip to armpit level. Make sure that the chest clip is laying at armpit level and not down near the belly button or higher up at the neck. To remove the baby, push the harness release button and slowly pull on the chest clip to loosen both sides of the harness equally. Then unbuckle and undo the chest clip. Our goal is to make sure that your baby goes home from the hospital safely. El Camino Health offers a variety of classes for new parents and family members that focus on childbirth preparation, breastfeeding, taking care of baby, CPR, and safety. Learn more and register at elcaminohealth.org/classes. Congratulations from all of us on your new addition.